alright, hold on, Nick, hold on. Quick intro. Nick is holding the minimum RC MiG-15 30mm EDF running on 2S 250 mAh power packs, maiden flight just by Nick on camera, and we were amazed how good the stabilisation was. Flight time of about 5 minutes, and then the LVC low voltage hit on the speed controller, and it went in but survived the quite hard knock. So we're going up. I'm going up for a second flight now, just as I showed. This is one thing you have to be careful.
Oh yes, because they push in, so it's so that you can put it into like a backpack. So if you wanted to put it all together, you can take the sticks off.
You just don't want that to happen during the flight.
I might glue them. Might probably put a CA on.
So yeah, it doesn't need much of a handle, and we'll try and give you some nice close-up shots. Hold on, not actually. Green is auto levelling. That's what I want, and then I go to the assisted. All right. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Love climbing, doesn't it?
Yeah, so I said to you I went to trim it, but it's into the wind. If you come in with a lot of power on it, it climbs up.
Barely using any power.
No, if you just put it to about just around half throttle, maybe a little under, it just cruises. It just maintains its speed.
Yeah, that's just under half.
I found that's its sort of sweet spot for flying, you know.
Little bit of rudder as well. Amazing what a small space you can fly in.
Dom's preempting it going indoor.
Look at that! Give it a quick blast. Alright, so full throttle into wind. Turn around.
One foot off the deck.
Right, so let's try it on manual.
Sure.
Manual mode. Roll. We'll try a loop next time. I'll try a roll closer. Nice. Fairly axial as well. Let's see if we can do a loop.
With its raised tail, you wouldn't expect that, would you?
From a loop and a shallow dive, picking it up. Easy. Oh my. And that was from level. So it's got the power into wind. Brilliant, brilliant loops. So again, a little bit closer. Keep the wings level, let it pick up speed. Brilliant.
Beautiful. Just to let you know, you're probably approaching LVC time.
Yeah, so we'll bring it in for landing. Yeah, it's so much fun, you can forget the time.
That'd probably be my only improvement request, to be honest, would be like a little mini timer or something, you know? Would be amazing.
I'll just go around one more time. Come to the fence, Nick. right in front of you. Hey!
It was so close.
Even in a little bit of wind, 5 to 10 miles an hour flies absolutely fantastic with the stabilisation. But I put it in manual and did some loops and rolls, which was equally brilliant as well. It's got the power to do that. Link in the video description and a pinned comment. Thanks to Nick on camera. Thanks everybody. Bye.